Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
The camera bag I got from my beautiful wife is the Temba X6 20-liter backpack, and it can carry up to 2 cameras and 5 to 7 lenses and a laptop. If needed, you can grab both of your cameras real quick from either off the top or from the side. To get to everything inside, we have to place the bag onto somewhere safe and open it from the rear. This is where the camera I'm using to record this shot is stored when I'm traveling. To show how much I can squeeze into this bag, I put the largest zoom lens into the second camera. That's the 70-300 Fuji lens. The next thing we have here is the video mic NTG from Rode. It's my favorite shotgun mic. It's usually sitting on my Fujifilm X-T4. Amazing mic. I use it right now. I have a portable charger, 20,000 mAh. It's really fast charging. You can charge a phone and a couple of cameras, no problem. Next, we have one of my favorite lenses of all the time. It's from Viltrox, the 23mm f1.4. I absolutely love this lens. If I could only choose one lens, this would probably be it. You can do absolutely everything with it. Next, we have the 18-55 kit lens. It's an absolutely fantastic video lens. I just love that lens, and I'm so glad I have it. In case I need to get really close to my subjects, I have the 7 Artisan 60mm f2.8 macro lens. Absolutely fantastic. It's a manual lens, cheap and cheerful. We have a GoPro Hero 9 for outdoor, waterproof, wide, stable shots during the day. It works perfect. The camera bag itself is waterproof, but if it's raining really heavy, then I have to use this little cover to protect everything inside. I have the 16-80 kit lens. This is usually sitting on my Fujifilm X-T3 because it has a great stabilization and it works really well with the X-T3. I have a couple of wee lights and wee torches in the bag as well. When you're a filmmaker, lighting is never enough, and lighting is everything. When you record videos, the only thing that's even more important than lighting is the audio. So I have a wee lav mic here. Moisture is our enemy, so I find it a great practice to keep a few silica gels randomly all over the bag. Next, we have one of my favorite purchases from last year, is a MacBook Air. It has an M1 chip, but this is a basic model, and I can use it to edit 4K 60 frame per second footage, no problem, coming out straight from the Fuji. I don't have to do proxies. This MacBook is so fast, and it's small, and it's lightweight. It fits into the bag perfectly. I absolutely love it. It's really good. At the front pocket here, I keep my spare batteries, mostly for the X-T3 and the GoPro, because those batteries drain real quick, unlike the X-T4. I also keep my Samsung T7 1TB SSD drive at the front here. You can edit from this thing because it's so fast. It works just as quick as using the internal SSD of the MacBook itself. I have to use this card reader with the MacBook because it doesn't have internal card reader built into it. And there's a wee dongle cable for the X-T4 to connect audio when you're looking to listen. The area of 1 pence to tighten up all the screws, and a cloth to wipe off the lenses when they get dirty. And to finish off the video, I also keep a fast charger with a couple of USB-C cables. They always come handy. They charge everything because everything works off USB-C. So that is it. The bag is empty now. And check this out, it literally takes about 5 seconds to load everything back. My gear was kind of put together to cover the needs of a solo filmmaker, so that reflects the lens selection as well. It goes from 13mm to 300mm, fast prime lenses and zoom lenses in between to cover all focal length and focal ranges. And of course, I'm in love with the Fuji cameras. They have amazing colors, they're compact, they do everything so amazingly. They are perfect.